In this video, we will be talking about the next level parking garage, solar-powered retractable car garage that fits perfectly in a parking space, vertical rotary car parking system that is designed for public use and is suitable for high-density conditions, Autostacker Parking Lift that is capable of withstanding up to 6,000 pounds, GazeBox that doesn't take a lot of space, IdealPark that gives you an underground parking lot, Matter Architecture Garage Project that fits 2 cars while keeping the original facade, S-Park 2-wheeler multi-parking system that aims to significantly reduce the size of parking lots, AJ Automated Parking System that features a full protection system and a safe exit system, Cardoc Turntable 360 that makes you forget about complicated maneuvers. 1. Solar-powered retractable car garage. This is another parking garage that fits perfectly in a parking space. The model is powered by solar, making it easy to install and reliable. It can withstand 330 to 440 pounds of carbon fiber, snow, fiberglass, and nylon. The manufacturer created several models that protect from wind and dust. 2. Vertical Rotary Car Parking System. This parking system is designed for public use and is suitable for high-density conditions. This parking garage is activated by the control system. Depending on the model, the controller chooses the most favorable way to bring the car along the circular route by rotating the structure clockwise or counterclockwise. It consumes more energy compared to other types. 3. Autostacker Parking Lift. This model can withstand up to 6,000 pounds and comes in several versions. It is elegant, safe, and intuitive, and uses many patented solutions. The door protection system is designed with a special type of rubber that prevents accidental scratches and dents. This platform is also compatible with sports cars and cars with low ground clearance. They're great for private and commercial use. 4. GazeBox. It isn't good if a garage takes up a lot of space. Well, with this GazeBox garage, you can install it even in a small space and protect your car in any season. The garage is available in different versions, and the basis of the construction is made of steel and cellular polycarbonate. You can manually or remotely open this garage. 5. IdealPark. Well, having a garage underground isn't common. This garage gives you just that. This feature is interesting for various reasons. Its upper part can be clad with different decorative materials. The capacity also varies from 5,953 to 7,716 pounds, depending on your version. The lift also features a set of solutions by the IdealPark company. There is a fingerprint scanner automation and remote maintenance. 6. Matter Architecture Garage Project. This is a real-life garage system in Auckland, New Zealand. The Mata Collective executed the project, and they are known for their unusual solutions in architecture and private residence design. The designers rearranged a part of the building to implement their idea of installing a car lift and making a garage for 2 cars while keeping the original facade. If you're optimistic about the future of parking garage systems, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. 7. S-Park 2-wheeler multi-parking system. This system comes in handy in places where motorcycles and scooters are especially popular. It aims to significantly reduce the size of parking lots and is capable of making one space accommodate 2 bikes at once. It takes only 15 seconds to lift or lower the scooter. The system is simple to install and very easy to maintain. 8. AJ Automated Parking Systems. The next on the list is the parking garage from South Korea. This parking tower can be adapted to the customer's wishes. All choices are characterized by low noise and vibration levels. It also features a full protection system and a safe exit system. 9. Cardok Turntable 360. This platform makes you forget about complicated maneuvers as it rotates 360 degrees, making it much easier to drive your car into the garage or parking lot. The manufacturer is on the edge of making a version on request, and you can easily install it indoors and outdoors. It is also designed for temperatures in different temperature ranges. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video.